Hi, welcome to YOUCANIC. Today we'll be showing you how to adjust the headlights on the headlight leveling on a Tesla Model 3. So here's the home screen. If you go to the bottom left hand corner and click the car icon and then go to service, and here's the adjust headlights button. I recommend, and it even says it here, headlights should only be adjusted by trained service technicians. But if you do decide to do it by yourself, then this is how you do it. And also I recommend giving yourself 25 feet of space between a vertical wall, and then you can use that to level it. The recommendation is to have your headlights be just below the side mirror height of a standard car. This will ensure that any car that you pass, you won't be blinding them with your headlights. So that's the recommendations for that. And then you just click left or right here, and then you use the left steering wheel, the wheel on the steering wheel, to adjust up or down, or left or right, and that's how you adjust the headlights on a Tesla Model 3. Thanks for watching.